Good morning, pre-Ks. I hope you enjoyed our greeting. Now it's time for our workbooks. Let's see what page we're on next. This is the page with those baby birds on it. And we're going all the way up to the number 20. Remember, if you can't find what's next, always go to the number line. At Pied Piper School, we put the number line right there on the top of the paper and sometimes on the bottom too, so you can follow along. When you're looking for the number 1, sometimes there's a star there. Sometimes you just have to find the 2. Oh, there's the 2. And the 1's got to be near it, right over here. I think it got cut off. Find the number 2, and make a 1 right there. Sometimes when we're putting these copies into the computer, certain numbers get cut off, so you always have to check and see. I think we're okay on this side, but our number 1 should be right here near the number 2. So take your pencil, start on the number 1 and drag to the number 2. You've got it. Then to the number 3. Stop and drag the number 4. Stop and drag then the number 5. If you get mixed up on those tricky teens, find that number 10 and then look at your number line, and that will help you. Then if you want to do some coloring on this page, you can always use a color code for each of the birds. Maybe you want to make them a different color. Like you can make one bird O for orange, and one bird Y for yellow, and one bird B for blue. Make your own color code any way that you want. And don't forget the leaves should be G for green. That's only if you'd like to do some coloring, because the rest of today's work is a lot of fundations. Working on those lowercase letters. We found the uppercase letters were so easy breezy because it was all straight lines, not many curves. But the lowercase letters are curves and lines and half a rainbow all together. So we're starting with the letter B for bumblebee. So you're going to take your marker, your crayon, your pencil, whatever you have at your house to work with. Kathy's got all different things here. And you're going to start on that letter B. Start at the number 1, have some fun, go straight down, start at the number 2, that'll do, and go around. Practice your letter B's. Then go to your H for horse. Start at the number 1, straight line down, start in the middle and a half a rainbow to the bottom. H for horse. Then go to the letter P for pig. Start on 1 straight down, start on 2 and go around. The numbers are there to help you. And then you're going to write which letter each of those pictures begins with. If you forget, go to the top and it will remind you. And if you want to be extra smart today, try to write that word horse. Put those letters together. Horse. Write the word B. Oh, I think you can all do that. And write the word pig. Put those sounds together. Pig. Pig. I bet you can write that word as well. I'll give you some time to finish your foundations, B, H, and P, and come right back when you finish. Do your best work. The next page is more letters. We're really working on the letters today. Now these letters are a straight line as well, and then a curved line. R for ring. Start at 1. Straight down with a little hook, kind of like Captain Hook. N for nest, straight down, and half a rainbow. Find the number 1, then the number 2. M, straight down, and 2 humps, 2 and 3. Then the directions say, put a check. Ooh, a check mark. That's something new. A check goes down and up. Or an X. We know how to make an X in each box. If the answer is yes, Y-E-S, we put a check. If the answer is no, we put an X. Let's read the questions. Ring begins with R. Let's look up, does ring begin with R? Oh, yes, yes. Oh, put a check there. Put a check. Oh, a check right in the box. That was fun. Let's read the next question. Oh, there's the net. Okay, matchy, matchy. Net begins with an M. Is that an M? No, that's an N. Net begins with a N. So M, is that yes or no? No. Put an X in that box. See if you can X it out. Keep that X right in the box. Good job. And the last one says moon. There's the moon. Find the moon. Begins with an N. Is that an N? That would be a noon, not moon. So another X for no. Good job, pre-Ks. That was fun. Making checks when it was correct statement, yes, and an X when it was not. That was fun. The last page today is one more foundations. I know we're working very hard on those lowercase letters. I'm very proud of you for trying, because the lowercase letters are so much harder. Here we go. All right, we have some new letters, U and Y. The U starts with the curve. Ooh, that's the first one we've done that started with the curve, then the straight line down. U for umbrella. We talked about those at the beginning of the week. Straight line down and down to the worm for that Y. Y is one of our special letters that can go all the way down to the worm, like G and Q and P. There's our Y. Then it says trace the letters to complete the words. We're going to write the word sun. That's a CVC word. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Sun. Umbrella. Begins with a U and ends with an A. Umbrella. Yellow with a Y and ends with a W, and yo-yo. All right, good job, pre-Ks. You finished your work today in your book.